demonstration of a 1969 BSA Starfire. As you see, we have now got the chassis mobile and we've got both wheels on, and we're starting to put all the various ancillaries on. The engine went in nice and neatly, no problems at all, and the back wheel and the front wheel. Although we'll be taking the back wheel out shortly to put on a mud guard that we're getting sprayed up at this moment in time. As I mentioned, we're starting to put the ancillaries on, the electrics, we have the headlamp shell on, and we have an ammeter, various switches, we have also the speedo mount, the low profile handlebars. These were the handlebars that were originally on this model of 69 Starfire. Some of the models had the cowboy high bars on them, but this model had the slightly lower ones. Sort of working our way back, we have the seat is a way getting reupholstered, but again it's the original Starfire seat with the hump on it. And we have our battery box, all our other bits and pieces now sprayed up and will be fitted in the next few weeks. And we have our engine covers here that has went through one stage of cleaning, but we'll be getting these cleaned up and polished and ready for fitting probably in the next couple of weeks. And sort of moving on, the bike realistically is now, it looks like a motorbike. Rather than just parts, everything is coming together, some more easily than others. But if you keep watching over the next few weeks, as I said, you will see us finishing off and hopefully rolling it down this ramp, and everything will be ready. So I say, make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.